Hello everyone, today I will show you how to refresh quick ad on Snapchat. And here's how it's done. Open the Snapchat app on your phone. You will land on the camera screen. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner. In your profile, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to the privacy control section and tap See Me in Quick Ad. Make sure the Show Me in Quick Ad option is enabled. This allows others with mutual friends or connections to see you and helps update your own quick ad suggestions. Once done, go back to the camera screen and tap the ad icon in the top right corner. Under the Find Friends section, you'll see refresh suggestions in the quick ad list. You can also use the search bar to look for specific friends manually. By enabling and refreshing this feature, your quick ad suggestions will update based on your mutual connections. And that is everything to know about how to refresh quick ad on Snapchat. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.